What's up everybody, Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and today I'm going to go ahead and add another piece to the car. Now I did go on a cheaper route. I got a cowl vent. This is the two-piece kit. I didn't see a whole lot on the internet about the eBay cheaper two-piece kit. This was what they call the revision or whatever. That's what it said. I'm not sure. I mean, so far what I can tell that it is nice plastic. It does have a pretty nice gasket right here. The material looks good. It's like ABS, whatever. It'll do the trick. But anyways, let's go ahead and get it on this car and see if it actually fits. See the fit and finish of this whole eBay $30 part, and see if it's worth saving the money or see if it's better to just spend the money. If you're wondering, it came in this box right here. Let's get started. Alright, now that we got that side off, same thing over here. Come over here and pop that one up. It's just as simple as that. Okay, so right here is this push pin. You can see where it would overlap and go underneath this. So just like that, just moves that out and it pops forward. You're gonna pull this off right here. Ground strap. Take this off. Just lay that right there. Underneath here, you'll have your wipers. Just go ahead and pull those off. And there is a couple clips. As you can see, this thing has seen better days. I've had the car since it was brand new. That's garbage right there. And there's another clip right here. It's the Phillips style clip. Okay, so in my videos I've done on This Tool is Cool, I've talked about panel, trim, remove tools. This is just a fork clip remover. I'm gonna use my fork clip remover, slide it in underneath that retaining clip and work it up and then pop it out, and then I can use it to secure the new panel. Okay, on these washers, you gotta get this piece out because that piece has to go. Just kind of turn it, wiggle it, work it out of there without breaking it. Just be nice and gentle, it'll come out. This panel is totally trashed. The one that came off the car, I mean, holy crap, is it done. It's spent. I'm just hoping that this eBay cowl panel works. I mean, it's on the cheap. We'll have a split in the middle. Let's find out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start with this passenger side. Still skeptical on whether or not it's going to work. We're going to take these and they just clip right in facing towards the windshield. I'll say that they don't really clip in real good. They're not like the most tight fit. But just kind of go with the flow, see how it goes. Now I'm going to slide this panel in like so. Put my gasket, make sure this gasket is folded out. Kind of put that in there. That's just a test fit. And we'll go ahead and get our hose over here. Connect it to this. Hold that down a little bit at least. And these did come with new clips, at least. The gasket in the middle just doesn't meet up and look right. I kind of don't like that. It's like that. There's a part right here. The gasket just doesn't seem right. Maybe it needs to be pulled out. Let's snap that on. This is something you want it to be right because you don't want it blown off going down the highway. Alright, so the last thing to do is to put the wipers on. Now the fit and finish could be a little better. I can already tell that if you worked with it a little bit, and we'll go over that in 1 second. I'll tell you what I'm talking about. Ooh, spring loading those. All right, just remember which wiper went where. Okay, so let's go over the fit and finish. Yes, my car is really filthy. It's been in here for a while. All right, so right here you can see the separation of the gasket. Now the gasket has like a double-sided or one-sided tape right here. You could fix this by pushing this down, which I probably will. These, they're pretty high quality. You know, they feel good. Other than that, the thing seals along the window pretty well. That gasket's pretty straight. Now if you look right here, there is this bump right here where they meet together. I'm thinking some super glue or some double-sided tape would work really good right here. This gasket, as you can see, get a little closer. As you can see where you press this down and that gasket doesn't quite line up, but you can move it to where this lines up. You see a little bit of a gap there. You can press that together, I'm thinking super glue or something like that. All right, guys, so the eBay cowling, it does look halfway decent. It doesn't look terrible. It was kind of a pain getting it wiggled in there. I had a problem right here underneath these pillar panels. I had to kind of pull them back and push it in there and get it underneath. If you get one, it's going to try to set on top of them. You just got to get it under that first, and then you can clip it in the rest of the way. I will say the material that it's made out of is pretty nice material. It doesn't feel like it will get as brittle as fast as the factory OEM. The gaskets are good material. The gaskets do need some lining up. The tape, you know, they were just in a factory. Someone taped them on the thing. Maybe didn't get them as straight as they could be, but you could definitely straighten those gaskets out. I peeled the passenger side back and I restuck it down. And with some finessing, you could get this thing to line up perfectly, and I would definitely recommend it. It came off eBay. It was one of the eBay 2-piece kits. I was very skeptical because I didn't think it was going to fit. This little gap right here I can fix with some tape. The gaskets you can line up. You can just peel them back, re-stick them, and line the gaskets up perfectly. The gasket material is a nice material, and all it definitely helps the car. And if you want to take a look at the old one, anything is better than this broken piece right here, and it definitely adds a little more appeal to the car. Like I said, this rubber gasket material is actually decent. The plastic, this feels like a hard plastic. This feels more like a softer ABS style plastic. Altogether, I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll throw this thing away. And that's the gist of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, I had a pretty good time out here in the old shop, sweating to death, getting this thing done. I do think that it does look pretty good. I know the car is dirty. I need to get it out and wash it. Like I said, I'm fabricating some stuff. That's going to bother me. I'm definitely going to fix that where it doesn't go together all the way. But it does look good. It really does look good. I'll throw in some short clips of how it looks. Don't mind the dirty car. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm Dustin. This has been Life in a Mustang, and I'm building this car slowly but surely. So stay tuned for another video, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye. Okay, so the install's over, but I did find some extra stuff. I did come with like another gasket, and then it came. Look at that clouds. It's getting dark. Anyways, it's pretty cloudy. Pretty cloudy. Yeah, but so it actually came with extra push pins. It came with an extra gasket to hide the seam, like a gasket that goes over to hide the seam. And all, it's actually a really good kit, and I do recommend it. See ya. he done burned the tires off that sucker. But I damn almost missed half of it because I was trying to run and grab the camera and get the heck out of there.